Let's be real. If you're trying to get rich off Nvidia in 2026, you're about 2 years too late. The GPU mania of 2024 built the foundation, but 2026 is about who is actually using that foundation. We've moved past the cloud era of AI and into the era of the edge. We're talking about AI in your car, your glasses, and your local power grid. And when the giants like Nvidia and TSMC get too big to move fast, the small caps take over. Today, we are looking at 5 small cap semiconductor stocks, some you've likely never heard of, that are the real picks and shovels of 2026. First up is Photronics, PLAB. If you want the safety of a blue chip with the price tag of a small cap, this is it. Photronics makes photomasks. Think of these as the stencils used to print chip designs onto silicon wafers. In 2026, everyone, from Amazon to Ford, is designing their own custom AI chips. Every time a company changes a chip design, they need a new set of masks. The numbers. They've got a fortress of a balance sheet and a debt-to-equity ratio that would make a banker weep with joy. It's nearly zero. It's not the flashiest stock, but as long as the world wants custom silicon, PLAB is getting paid. It's the landlord of the chip world. Next is Skywater Technology, SKYT. Remember the CHIPS Act? Well, in 2026, that government money is finally hitting the bottom line. Skywater is the leading US-based pure-play foundry. They don't just make chips, they co-create them for the Department of Defense and quantum computing startups. With geopolitical tensions still high in 2026, Made in America isn't just a slogan, it's a mandatory requirement for infrastructure. The catalyst, they've successfully scaled their Florida and Minnesota facilities. If you believe in the reshoring of American tech, SKYT is your primary vehicle. SEVA is an IP company. They don't manufacture anything. Instead, they license the blueprints for AI sensors and connectivity. In 2026, the AI PC and AI phone are standard. SEVA provides the neural processing units, NPUs, that make your phone's camera smart and your Bluetooth headphones clear. Why now? We are entering the royalty ramp. SEVA spent 2025 signing deals. In 2026, those products are hitting the shelves, and SEVA gets a cut of every single unit sold. Analysts are calling this a strong buy for a reason. It's a high-margin, scalable software model in a hardware world. Air Test Systems, AEHR, had a rough 2025 when the EV market cooled down. But in 2026, they've found a new best friend, the AI data center. High-end AI chips are incredibly expensive. If one fails after it's installed in a $1 million server, it's a disaster. Air makes the systems that stress test these chips before they ship. The move. They've pivoted from testing Tesla batteries to testing Google and Meta's custom AI processors. It's a classic recovery play. If you missed the dip in 2025, the 2026 expansion into AI ASICs is your second chance. Finally, we have Atomera, Atom. I'm going to be candid. This is a moonshot. Don't bet the mortgage here. Atomera has a technology called MSD, a thin film that makes chips more efficient. They've spent years in labs, and 2026 is the year of put up or shut up. They are finally seeing their first real commercial revenue. The bet, if a major player like Samsung or Intel fully adopts their tech, this stock won't just go up, it will teleport. If they don't, it's a long walk back to zero. High risk, high reward. So, what's the move? If I'm building a 2026 small cap semi-basket, I'm anchoring it with PLAB and SKYT for stability, adding SEVA for growth, and using a tiny bit of mad money for AEHR and Atom. Look, the 2026 semiconductor market is a different beast than the GPU or bust era of a few years ago. The easy money in the giants has been made. Now, the real alpha is found in these smaller, nimble players that are quietly powering the AI in your pocket, your car, and your home. Investing in small cap chips is a high-stakes game. You're going to see volatility, you're going to see boring quarters, and you might see some 20% swings. But if you have the stomach for it, this is where the next generation of wealth is being built while the rest of the world is still chasing Nvidia's tail. I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 is going in your moonshot folder for 2026? Are you betting on Skywater's domestic dominance? Or are you a risk taker looking at Atomera? Drop your pick in the comments below. I'll be jumping in to discuss the most interesting ones. If this deep dive helped you make sense of the 2026 chip landscape, hit that like button and subscribe. We do these deep dives every week to make sure you're ahead of the curve, not behind it. And as always, this is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence, protect your capital, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay hungry, stay diversified, and for the love of your portfolio, stop FOMOing into 2024's winners.